So, ayan, class. Hello again. So, this will be the continuation no, ng naiwan natin discussion. And we had difficulty due to some, technical devices. Kaya gaya nga ng pinag-usapan natin, diniscuss natin during the time of meteorologies, no, using the tools. So, ito yung naging example no, that if you are not used to the tool will not be able to help you to make your work easier and faster, but then it will be give more difficulty. Okay, that is why for us to be used to the tools and comfortable in using it, of course, is to always try to use it. So therefore, I will again try to use it. Okay, so medyo I'm just only having hard time ng konti due to being not comfortable using the tablet and the pen. Okay? Kasi hindi tayo use sa ganito. Anyway, so ayan, let's proceed. So ito na nga yung continuation natin, no, na binigay ko sa inyo the last time, the formula. Okay? So the formula is for the orbital speed, which is an additional kasi wala to sa presentation natin, no? So dito na ako nag-start ngayon para medyo mabilis yung ating discussion. So this is additional formula for the orbital speed kasi ang meron lang tayo doon sa ating mga previous presentation is the escape velocity. So for the orbital speed, so it will be, of course, this symbol V equals the square root of the gravitational constant multiplied to the Earth's mass divided by the R, or the distance from the center of the Earth. So that is equivalent to the radius of the Earth. But then, since you will be locating something which is above the surface of the Earth na, then it will be the sum of the radius of the Earth, of course, and that altitude or that height. And now for the period, we have this formula. No, I just added again for the symbol T, okay, for the period, which is equal to 2 pi times the square root of the cube of the distance, or the R, divided by the gravitational constant multiplied to the mass of the Earth again. Okay, so let's go on. So ito na yung formula natin. I mean, yung problem natin na naiwan last time. No? Yung iwan na sagot nila siguro yata, I think, man tama. Hindi ko lang ulit na check na yung ating mga naging sagot doon sa ating online class. But then for others, I know some are still having difficulties. So I hope this will help you para sa magiging exam nyo, no, for you to have, for you to be able to answer this part. So again, the problem that we had last time is determining the orbital speed and the period for the International Space Station. So this is the ISS that is located above there, okay, outside the Earth. And since the ISS is located at 4 times 10 to the second kilometer above, or kilometers above the Earth's surface, so therefore the radius of the at which its orbit is now the sum again. So sabi natin niya kanina, no, the sum of the radius of the Earth and of course that height. And you will notice here that we change already the given into meters. Okay, yan. So therefore this kilometer is converted to meters. So as you know, merong 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. So just multiply it and you will come up into this answer. So it is now 4 times 10 to the 5th meters, as well as our radius of the Earth. So we also converted that into meters. Therefore, you will have the 6.36 times 10 to the 6 meters. Okay, so let us continue. So ito na nga yung ating given, no? Here we are going to have our solution for us to continue this computation. So yung medyo nahirapan nung nakaraan, sana makatulong ito. And let's change our pen. Okay? So ayan. So sana nakikita niyo. So ito nga yung formula natin, di ba? We have the V equals the square root of course, the GM over the R. So medyo simple pa lang to, no? So idiretso na natin dyan para hindi sa inyo space dito. So pasensya na sa hindi straight, that's what I have told you. Hindi siya madali. 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11. Ay, palitan natin to. Hindi yan kilogram. Sorry. Parang akala ko na bago ko yan. Newton meter square per kilogram squared. Hindi po pala siya na bago. And then you're going to multiply that to, of course, the mass of the Earth, which is 5.97 7, 4, oh sorry. 7, 4, 2. Okay, times 10 to the 24th kilogram. Okay. So, i-divide natin siya syempre sa mahabang ito. So, yung R natin is now, so we have now the 6.3781. 6.3781 times 10 to the 6 meters plus yung 4.0 natin times 10 to the 5th meters. So, yan na yung kinonvert natin. So, i-add nyo lang yan. Okay? So, let's go on. Dito ko may ilalagay. So reminders again class, katulad ng sinasabi ko sa inyo, minsan kung bakit kahit yung final answer nyo is tama, but then hindi nyo nakuha yung perfect score kasi because of the process. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, that's why importante na pinapakita nyo yung solution. Kasi minsan, parang tinatamad na isulat yung mga function, katulad nito, no? Hindi pa natin ginagamit yan eh. Hindi pa natin na-apply yung function ng square root. So therefore, hindi pa natin dapat siya tatanggalin along the way hanggat di pa natin siya ginagamit or natatapos gamitin. So pag natapos mo na siyang gamitin, that's the only time na tatanggalin mo na siya sa iyong computation. Pero once na tinanggal mo siya, I will conclude na ginamit mo na siya and then I might think na mali yung sinagot mo kasi wala na siya eh. Pero nandun na yung sagot natin. No? Kaya importante na nandiyan pa rin yan hanggat hindi pa natin natatapos yung computation. Okay? So this time, of course, we are going to multiply first those numbers at the top. And therefore, we will come up into the number which is, if we multiply that to 6.67, so using the calculator, 6.67 EXP, so you will just press EXP negative 11. Hindi na ilalagay yung times 10. Pero may mga calcu naman na ito yung ginagawa, no? Na pinipindot pa yung times 10. Pero commonly, yung ibang calcu, is just, you're just going to press 6.67 EXP negative 11 na kaagad. Multiply so to 5.9742 EXP to the 24th. So therefore, you will be having the answer which is ito 3.984. Okay, this is 7, 9, okay, 1, 4. Times 10 to the 14. So mapapansin yung 14 na lang kasi negative to eh, tapos positive yun. So therefore, masusubtract yan kasi it is multiplication, no? So yung mga dati nyo pang lesson. So ayan class, kailangan din ipakita natin, no? Hindi tayo nagmamagic ng mga units na bigla na lang sa dulo may unit ka pero hindi mo pinakita paano ka nag-come up into that unit. So therefore, makikita natin dito, this is per, ibig sabihin nasa ilalim, tapos may kilogram ka doon. So makakancel yan class. Okay, at yung isa dito, matitira na lang yung 1 kilogram. So therefore, matitira sa'yo is Newton meter square per kilogram na lang. Okay, nawala na yung isa kasi na-cancel na doon. And yung sa ilalim naman natin is magkakaroon tayo ng, of course, sagot na 6.77. So i-add natin yan. Ganun din naman yun eh. So 6.77. Okay, this is 8, 100. Okay. Hindi ko na siya nilagyan ng power, ng ano pala, sorry class, wait lang. Hindi ko na siya nilagyan ng point kasi ito na nga pala siya. Okay? So, balik tayo dyan ha. Ito, yan. 6 yan. 6, 7, 7, 8, 100. Okay? So, ginamit ko na yung buong number times, I'm sorry, this is now meter, no? Okay, so again, burahin natin yan. Okay. So this now meter pa rin. Kasi addition lang yan, hindi yan magiging meter square. So same lang yung unit niya. So you will just have meter. Okay, kung multiplication yan, magiging meter square yan. So this is meter. So may meter ka dong dalawa rather. So therefore, makakancel yan, no? Yan. So ngayon, mawawala na yung value dito sa baba. Ang matitira na lang doon sa taas, Newton meter. Okay? Per kilogram na lang. So ngayon, i-apply na uli natin yung ating division naman. So pag dinivide mo yan, class, you will have 587. 5, 8, 7. Okay. 8, 9. Sulat ko muna lahat. 8, 9. And this is 209. 209. 5, 4. Okay. 5, 6. Ngayon, let's work on our units. Ang natira natin, class, is the Newton, isang meter, isang per kilogram. So yung Newton, kapag binigay mo yung kanyang equivalent, di ba? It will be kilogram, no? Meter per second squared. So may isa ka pang M dyan. So that's times M, di ba? Ayun. And then ito yung per kilogram mo. Ayan siya. Yan. So inilagay na natin lahat dyan para makita natin. So may kilogram sa taas, may kilogram sa baba. Maka-cancel na yan, class. And then ito, multiplication yan, oh. I'm sorry. Okay, ano nangyari ito? Ayan. Tama nga. M, multiplication. So meter per times meter. So therefore, you will come up into your answer later on. Dito ko na siya isasabay sa final answer natin, which will be 7, okay, 667.41 meter squared, no? Okay. Wait lang. Again, burahin natin to. Kunwari, hindi ko muna kukunin yung square root para makita nyo yung unit natin. Yan, balik tayo dyan. Sa square, sa ano muna tayo, unit. So, still we are 587, papak. Okay, yan. 36, 5456. Yan. So, ayan na nga, class. Meron ka dyang meter square. Itong m times m naging meter square per second squared. Ayan, i-apply mo na ngayon yung iyong square root. So, square root nitong number. Yan, pagka lahat ng nasa loob ng square root, lahat yan ay a-applyan ng function na yun. So, i-square root mo yung number, i-square root mo din to, at i-square root mo din tong unit. So, therefore, kaya ang magiging sagot mo, class, is 7667, okay, 0.41 meter per second na lang. And that is now the orbital speed. Okay? So, I hope nakikita pa natin yan, no? Pwede mo naman yung i-exponent. So, exponential 6, 7. Okay? Medyo mahaba pa yan, pero okay na naman naputulin kasi nasa dulo ka na. So, that is now 3, no? Kasi nag-move tayo ng 3 meter per second. So, ayan yung ating final answer for that. Okay? So, this is just for the speed. Okay? Orbital speed. So, sana nasundan natin paunti-unti, no? So, ngayon, ayan, punta naman tayo sa ating, okay. Wala na pala akong space. So, I hope nakuha nyo itong sagot dito, okay? Ayan. So, kukunin pa natin yung T. Medyo mahaba din yan, no? So, for a moment, pause ko lang muna. Magbubura lang ako. Okay, yan class, continue natin, no? So, dito pa rin tayo. This time, we will now compute for the period naman. So, our formula, kumana, for the period, oh, sorry. Okay. So, here, again, for the period, no? Oh, wait lang. Okay, nawala tayo. Balik tayo dyan. Okay. And sorry. Yan. Okay. So, going back, class. So, kukunin naman natin yung period natin. The formula is 2 pi square root of r cubed divided by the GM. Okay? So, ayan yung binigay natin formula kanina for the period. So, ganun pa rin yung procedure natin. Huwag kayong aalis dun sa mga dapat ilagay pa hanggat di kayo natatapos. So, meron tayong 2. I'm sorry. That is 2. Okay. Yeah. So, we have 2. That is 3.1416, no? And then, okay, wala mo muna yung square root dyan. Ilagay ko kaagad. So, we will have that later. So, dito na yan. Okay, so yung ating R is again, i-add ko na, no, para kasi na-compute na natin yung kanina, and that is around 6, di ba? 6, 7, 7, 8, 100, okay, meter. Okay, so i-cube mo yan. I-cube. And then sa ilalim mo, nandun pa rin si yung gravitational constant mo, okay, that is the 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11. So, ibibigay ko na rin yung, dahil na kanina na ipakita ko na rin naman sa inyo kung paano natin i-cancel out yung ating mga units. Okay? So, therefore, dito ang matitira na lang ulit sa'yo is the answer, which is 3.984. Okay? This is 7,914 times 10 to the 14, no? Na-compute kasi natin kanina, so hindi ko na ulitin yung pag-multiply. Yun din kasi yun eh, yung value. Ngayon, na-cancel out na rin natin yung unit dyan. Ang matitira na lang natin ay, okay, divided by kilogram. Okay? So, ayan, kilogram na lang. So, ito na, no? And then, you will have, gamitin ko na itong space na to. So, ito pa rin yung ating, di pa natin natatapos yan, kaya sinusulat mo pa rin yan. Dahil, nasa dulo ka pa eh. Diba? So, yan, wait lang ha, magkukompute tayo ngayon. I-cube natin yan. So, I'll just use my calculator here. We have 6, 7, 7, 8, okay, 100. Okay, check natin mabuti. And then, we are going to cube that. So there, you are using the cube. And then you will have the 3. Okay, wait lang ha. We will have that. Oh. The 3. 3.11. So ito na lang gagamitin ko. 1140 times 10 to the 20. Okay? Cubic meter. Then yung sa baba, nandun pa rin yan. 3.9847914 times 10 to the 14. So this time, ilagay na natin yung complete kilogram meter per second squared, meter square per kilogram. No? Cancel na yan. So meron ka ng square ng meter. Therefore, ang magiging unit mo na dyan is magiging meter cube per second square. Diba? Okay, so therefore, you have this thing na na-cancel mo na tong kilogram. And then, itong meter to meter mo, ang equivalent niyan is magiging meter cube. Kasi mm. Diba? And there, you will have per second squared. So, dahil m cube sa taas, m cube sa baba, na-cancel na yon. So, therefore, again, sulat natin itong 3.14 kasi hindi pa yan tapos. Square root naman itong sagot natin dito. So, therefore, di-divide na natin yan. Okay, that number divided by 3.9847914 exponent 14. So yeah, your answer is 7. Okay, this is 781,480. Okay, point. This is 0.82. Okay, and then of course, natanggal na nga natin yung cube, ang natira na lang sa'yo ay second squared. So therefore, i-apply mo na yung square root niyan. Matatanggal na ngayon yan kasi in-square root mo ito, in-square root mo rin ito. Yung unit at saka yung number. So therefore, pwede na nating i-multiply ito ha kasi wala na ako space sa baba. So you will have the 2 times 3.1416, and you will have here the 6.2832. Ngayon, i-multiply na natin sa square root nito. So let us get the square root of 781,480.82. And there you go. You will have 884.01. Okay? So second. Oh, sorry. Umal. Yan na naman. Okay? Taas ko na. Pag sobrang baba na, nalipat na yung slide. So therefore, i-multiply natin yan, no? Times 6.2832. Alright. Meron kang 5. That is 5. 5. Another 5. Okay. Another 5 for. Turahin ko nga para malinaw. Okay. So you have 5, 5, 4. 0.4337. 7. Okay. So seconds. So this is your period. Okay, or pwede mo naman niyang exponential. 55 times 10 to the third. Right? Seconds. Therefore, halos 3 hours, no? Ay, di pala. Sorry, 1,000 pala yan. 60 seconds lang pala in 1 hour. Okay, so this is the period. No? Na-compute na natin yung period. So, pinakita ko rin sa inyo paano kayo nagka-come up into your final answer as well as how you will come up into the final unit. No? Importante yung unit class. Kahit pa ang sagot mo is, for example, ang sagot mo is 5.55 times 10 to the third, tapos nilagay mo yung second sa dulo pero hindi mo naman siya na-compute, then useless yon. Okay? It cannot be considered correct hanggat wala siyang unit. As well as hindi mo naman din napakita kung paano ka nag-come up into that unit. So, importante lahat yung procedure. Alright. So, ito na yung computation natin class for that. For the period and the orbital speed. Okay? So, yan. Ito naman yung problem number 2. So, calculate the total energy to lift the 9,000 kilogram Soyuz. So, ito, yung Soyuz, nandun pa rin siya sa ISS orbit, ano? So, ang kanyang bigat is 9,000. So, around 9 tons. So, 9 tonelada. Okay, vehicle from the Earth's surface to the height of, again, ganun pa rin kasi yan naman ang location ng ISS. So, therefore, hindi magbabago tong ating value sa baba, ano? And, therefore, ang formula natin sa ating orbit is this. Circular yung gagamitin natin, no? Kasi ito ay nandito lang sa Earth. Hindi siya nandun sa orbit ng Earth. Okay? Doon siya umiipokot sa mismong Earth. So therefore, this is the formula. And since this is the energy, we will be using the minus. Okay? Because this is for the potential energy na kung saan nandun na sa labas ng outer space. So therefore, this is the formula to be used for that. Okay? And how are you going to compute for this using the formula? So same thing, start muna tayo dito. Ay, sorry. Yan. So start tayo dito. Sa E. Ganun pa rin. Diretso na natin yung mga ginamit natin kanina. So dito, meron ka ng 6.67, no? Negative 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. And then, i-multiply mo siya doon sa mass of the Earth. Okay? So, ang mass of the Earth natin kanina is, ano nga uli yung mass ng Earth natin? So, that is 5.5 9742 times 10 to the 24th kilogram. Okay, sana may space pa ako. Okay. Okay, so that is kilogram. Tatimes mostly siya dun sa mass. So yung given natin is 9,000. 9,000 kilogram. Ayun. And then, di-divide natin siya dito. Yung R natin, nakuha na natin yan. No? So, multiply na lang natin yan doon sa final answer natin kanina na R, which is now 6 again, 7, 7. Sana hindi kayo nalilito. Hindi ko na pinakita yung, again, addition nitong dalawang to. Yun na lang yung final answer na 100. And then, this is the M. Okay? Ayan. So, ngayon, class, mag-cancel out tayo. No? Itong kilogram dito, tsaka kilogram dito, mamumultiply yan. So, magiging kilogram square yan. Okay? Ito naman, may kilogram square sa ilalim. No? So, tingnan natin kung anong magiging sagot natin dyan. Minus. Always remember minus yan kasi nga that is like potential energy that is against the gravity which is going to the opposite, okay, of the direction of the force. So that is why, yan, multiply muna natin yung mga number natin. Magkakalculate lang tayo, dire-diretsuhin ko na ha. So meron akong 6.67 exponent negative 11. Ta-times natin siya sa 5. Okay. So that is 5.9742. That is exponent 24 naman. And then, diretso ko na siyang i-multiply kay 9,000. Okay. Okay, 6. For a moment, multiply lang natin. Ha? Ayan. So, meron tayo dyan. Lagay ko na dito. It will be 3.58. 6, 3, 1, 2, 2, 6 times 10 to the 18. So, ano mangyayari natin dito, class? Magkakaroon tayo ng kilogram square cancellation. No? Therefore, ang matitira sa'yo ay Newton meter square na lang. I-divide natin yan dito, which is just 2, no, times 677 8100. So you will have now, okay, negative again. Ubusan naman ako ng space. So this is 3.586312226 times 10 to the 18 Newton meter square divide. I'm very sorry. I'm making it faster, lalong nagka-problema. Okay, divide natin siya dyan. Alright. Sa ating sagot. Na 13,556,200. So, ayan na pala siya. Wait lang, class. Ito na pala. Dito ko na lang pala ilalagay. Kasi mauubusan nga pala ako ng space mamaya. Okay, so, it's really cumbersome. 13,556,200. And this time, it is meter. So, ang mangyayari na dyan, di-divide na natin. Pero may meter ka dito, so i-cancel na natin yan. At yung isa doon, natitira na lang ay isa. Ayan, Newton meter na yan. No? So, pag dinivide natin yan, Okay, let's divide now. So this is 3.58631.226 exponent 18. Divide 13556200. Okay. So therefore, ang magiging sagot natin class, negative siya ha. 2, 6, 4, 5, 5, 1, 4, 4, 2, 1, 4, 4.55. Newton meter na yung natira mo. Kaya pwede mo na yung gamitin na Newton meter or joule. Kasi alam mo naman ang unit ng energy is joule. Or simply J. Yan, lumipat tuloy siya. Yan. Okay, simply J. So, ayan yung sagot natin, class. Again, pwede mo siya i-convert, gawing exponential, negative 2.65 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 to the 11th power. Okay, joule. So, therefore, ayan na yung ating final answer. Okay? So, I hope nakuha natin yan, no? Sa mga susunod nating computation, lalo na sa exam yung darating. Sana makatulong to. Right? So, that's it. And let's go on. Tingnan natin dito. I-compute na natin yan kanina. Okay, now for the escape velocity class, halos pareho lang ng computation, no? Ito sa kanina natin. Pero this time, meron tayong ibang example. Kasi syempre, pag escape velocity na, syempre, medyo may konting pagkakaiba lang naman yung formula. So, ito na yung last natin gagawin na sample na ipapakita ko sa inyo. And the rest, kayo na yung mag-practice, okay? Sa mga susunod natin exam. So, para lang may basihan kayo kung paano kayo magko-compute. So, this time, they are going to determine the escape velocity of the Jupiter. If its radius is 7,149 kilometer and the mass is 0.898 times 10 to the 27 kilogram. So, this time, we are going to use Jupiter. Okay? So again, start tayo sa given. No? So ang given natin na ipinigay dito, ang mass ng Jupiter. Okay? Mass of Jupiter is equal to, sorry, 1898 times 10 to the 27 kilogram. And then meron siyang radius na 7,149 kilometers. So this time class, radius lang yung gagamitin mo. So therefore, hindi mo na kailangan na ano pa yan, no? What I mean is i-add, no? Sa any location. Wala namang kasing binigay. So ibig sabihin, nandun lang siya. Ang pinag-uusapan is from the surface of the Jupiter pa din. So dahil ang ating formula dyan ay, so for the escape velocity, no? This is escape velocity. So for example, gamitin natin escape velocity na yan. This is square root of 2 gm. Or palitan natin to. So pwede mong gamitin dyan syempre ay R. Ano na lang. Hindi na gm. Anyway. Yan, balik tayo sa pen. So G. M na lang. Okay, M pa rin pala. Jupiter na nga lang. Over the radius of the Jupiter. Okay? So therefore, you will have 2. Okay, you will have the G, the 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square multiply to the mass of the Jupiter, which is 1.898 times 10 to the 27 kilogram. Malaking-malaki ang Jupiter, di ba? Divide mo lang siya sa ating 7,149 kilometers. Oh, sorry. Kailangan natin i-convert pala yung kilometers kasi ang given natin ay meter. So therefore, iyan ay magiging times 10 to the, okay, it will become, multiply mo lang naman yan sa 1,000. So magkakaroon ka ng 7. So palitan na lang natin yan. No? Diretso convert ko na. Okay. So it will be 7 point times 10 to the 6. Okay. 6 meters. So, ayan. So, para makita natin dito kung ano yung makakancel. So, ayan, may 1 meter sa taas. Pwede na natin i-cancel, no? Para mabawasan yung gagawin natin mamaya. Tapos, yung 1 kilogram na yan, kilogram na yan. Okay. So, may space pa ba akong susunod? Therefore, didiretsuhin ko na class. Okay. So, meron tayong 1.898 exponent 27. Times ko siya sa 6.67 exponent negative 11, which is ayan. Tapos, times ko sa 2. Para lang magkasya sa space. Okay. So, ayan. Therefore, you go. The answer is 2.5. 2.5. Okay, 2.5. 319. Ay, what happened? Okay. Dami kong ginagamit na gadget. Wala tuloy yung sagot ko sa calcu. So that is now 7 exponent negative 11 times 1.898 exponent 27. Alright, so meron tayong 255. Okay. I mean 31932 times 10 to the 27. This time it will be Newton meter per kilogram. Okay, yan na yung natira mo, no? Alright, lipat tayo sa kabila. Okay? Problem 2 na pala yun. So class, kailangan ko magbura dito, no? For a moment, ang kailangan natin ay idediretso lang naman natin yung ating solution na yan. So, buburahin ko na muna yung nasa taas. Okay, sundan nyo na lang ha. Sana mag-jot down kayo para ano. Magbura-bura lang tayo. Medyo nahihilo na ako. Alright. Okay. So, lagay uli natin yung continuation natin dito na meron tayong, alright, of course, square root of 2.531,932 times 10 to the 27. That is now Newton meter per kilogram. I-divide natin yan sa 7.149 times 10 to the 6 bago natin kukunin ang square root niyan. So therefore, that answer is to be divided to 7.149 exponent 6. Wala na yung unit kasi na-cancel na, no? So we have there the 35. 416,589 732.83. Yan. Ngayon, idiretso na uli natin. Yung ating cancellation ng unit, meron ka dyang kilogram, meter per second squared. Tinimes mo siya sa meter per kilogram. Therefore, mawawala na ulit si kilogram and then mamumultiply naman si meter. So yan, tuloy natin yung computation natin. Erase ko muna ulit itong nasa baba. Okay, so yan. Kukunin mo na ngayon yung square root niya, no? So get the square root of everything na tira mo dyan. Meter squared, second squared. So yun. Square root lang natin yan. At makakakuha tayo ng 188,192.95877,591 meter per second. Kasi kinuha na natin yung square root ng meter and second square. Ayan, no? So this is the escape velocity. sa Jupiter. Okay? So again, pwede mo siyang gawing exponential. Nandiyan yung tuldok niya, no? Sa 92. So therefore, pwede kang maging 1.88 na lang. 1.88192 times 10 to the 245 to the 5th meter per second. So this could be your answer kung exponential siya. Right, class? So hanggang dito na lang muna yung example natin. Nakapagbigay na ako ng lahat ng klase ng problem, no, na escape velocity, orbital speed, period. So ayan. So sana maging successful yung pagsasagot nyo sa inyong exam this coming midterm. Okay? So yung susunod dito, ayan, halos pareho na lang din naman. Escape velocity na yung mga given. At I hope ay nakatulong dun sa iba na medyo nahihirapan pa. Right? That would be all for this presentation. Goodbye and good luck in your exam.